Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this lesson, we will learn how to avoid repetition using the particle no. In English, for example, we say, I bought a white bag yesterday. Now, if we want to say, I bought another bag today, I won't have to say the word bag again. So instead, I use one. I bought a blue one today. This one is Yuri's chair. Now to avoid saying chair again, we use just Yuki's. That one is Yuki's. Okay? So it is understandable what noun we are referring to. Here we use the equation adjective plus no. For example, keiki ga takusan arimasu. So here we have suki na keiki. It literally means like cake or the favorite cake. So this is an adjective and a noun. Suki na keiki motte ite kudasai. Please take the cake that you like. Here, when we want to answer, for example, we want to just say take the one that you like instead of repeating the word cake. So we have a lot of cakes. Take the one that you like. We avoid using the repetition, take the cake that you like. So to say, take the one that you like, instead of saying keiki again, we change it to no. Sukina no motte ite kudasai. Please take the one that you like. Okay? Another example, we have Watashi wa kuroi seeta o motte imasu. I have a black sweater. So here, I want to say, I have another kind of sweater. I have red sweater. So here, instead of saying akai seta, so we say akai no, red one, a red one. So no is equals to seta. So it substitute sweater and it is understandable. Akai no mo. So here also we change the particle o into mo. It means also. Akai no mo motte imasu. The sentence now means I also have a red one. Okay? Akai no mo motte imasu. So this is the equation. Adjective plus noun becomes adjective plus no. Seibutsugaku no hon wa doko desu ka? Where is your biology book? So biology book. Now in here we do not want to repeat the word book or hon. So the answer is asoko de atsui no desu. Asoko de atsui no desu. Here we remove hon or book and change it to no as a substitute to say that one or that thick one. The thick one over there. Asoko de atsui no desu. So we avoid repetition of the noun. Again, chizu ni Russia ga doko desu ka? Where is Russia on the map? So here we will try to avoid using the noun Russia again, Russia. Kore ga ookii no desu. Kore ga ookii no desu. It is the large one. Kore ga ookii no desu. Here, as you can see again, ookii is the adjective, and then we just add no as a replacement to the country, Russia, or to the noun, Russia. It is the large one. Alright, we can also use no as a possessive. For example, Yuki-san no kaban, Yuki's bag. Kore wa Yuki-san no kaban desu ka? Is this Yuki's bag? So here, no acts as a possessive, it is Yuki's bag. Is this Yuki's bag? So the natural answer would be Iie, kore wa Yuko-san no kaban desu. So here the answer is no, this is Yuko's bag. This is Yuko's bag. Now instead of repeating the word bag, we can erase it, bag, and just retain Yuko-san no. Yuko-san no. Yuko's. No, this is Yuko's. Another example, dare no kasa. So here, dare means who. And we add no, it becomes possessive. So, whose umbrella? Kore wa dare no kasa desu ka? Whose umbrella is this? Whose umbrella is this? So here we can say Yamashita sensei no desu. So instead of adding kasa, sensei no kasa, we remove kasa altogether and say Yamashita sensei no desu. It's Professor Yamashita's. Okay? So we can do that also for pronouns like watashi no desu, it's mine. So instead of saying watashi no kasa desu, so we say watashi no desu. Or kare no desu, it's his, kare no desu. Or kanojo no desu, kanojo no desu, it's hers. Okay, so we add the particle no to the pronoun and the pronoun becomes possessive pronoun. Mine, his, hers, ours, etc. Now for example, we have this exercise here, but we're going to answer it one by one. We have here one example. Kono ringo wa Ri-san no ringo desu. As you can see here, if we complete the sentence, then we're going to have 2 apples in the sentence. Now, we do not want to overly repeat the noun apple. So instead, we can remove the second ringo. Just say Ri-san no. It's Li's. Kono ringo wa Ri-san no desu. Kono ringo wa Ri-san no desu. So here we have the other products and they have their own respective owners. You can try and formulate sentences using this example. Or you may continue watching. Okay? So for number 1, ice cream. Sora-san. So the ice cream of Sora-san. So here is the answer. Kono ice cream wa Sora-san no ice cream desu. Again, we do not need to repeat the word ice cream. So, kono ice cream wa Sora-san no desu. We omit the second word, ice cream. This ice cream is Sora's. Okay? For number 2, Tom's Pizza. Kono pizza wa Tomu-san no pizza desu. Again, we do not need to repeat the word pizza. So, kono pizza wa Tomu-san no desu. Kono pizza wa Tomu-san no desu. This pizza is Tom's. Next, we have the bread. Misaki. Misaki's bread. So, kono pan wa Misaki-san no desu. So, the complete is kono pan wa Misaki-san no pan desu. Again, we do not want to say pan 2 times in one sentence, so we remove it and retain no, san no. This bread is Misaki's. Next, we have Yumi's tomato. Kono tomato wa Yumi-san no desu. So here, we strike again tomato. This tomato is Yumi's. Kono tomato wa Yumi-san no desu. Next we have cake. Rinse cake. このケーキはリンさんのです。このケーキはリンさんのです。This cake is Rin's. Next we have coffee, coffee, Chris coffee. このコーヒーはクリスさんのです。このコーヒーはクリスさんのです。This coffee is Chris. We do not say coffee 2 times. Then 7. Ken's water. この水はケンさんのです。この水はケンさんのです。This water is Ken's. And finally, we have the milk. Kai's milk. この牛乳はカイさんのです。この牛乳はカイさんのです。So milk is 牛乳。牛乳。This milk is Kai's. この牛乳はカイさんのです。Okay?